Good evening, everyone. This is Chimaroke Daniel Amamechila, and I'm here to share with you my social media platform that I'm creating. I call it Y2A, okay, because it's dedicated to help youth, young singles, young single adults, and others who like to support them so that they can interact in a safe place and learn more about gospel principles and gospel truths. Okay, so why is it needed? It's needed because at this time in our lives, we cannot do well except we are spiritually sound. Okay, except we know the truth, and that truth we know can now set us free, from all the troubles in life today. And what are qualities that make it a good social media platform? One is each person will be able to have a personalized account, okay, on this platform. They'll be able to have profile pages, and why would users want it? Why would they want to use it? They want to use it, like I said before, they want to know the truth. They want to communicate in a place where they can respect one another and do it even in the fear of God, okay? And what makes this platform unique? One thing that will make it unique is, unlike other social media platforms, here we are talking about gospel truths, gospel principles. So there will be great emphasis on spiritual growth and development. And how will it be monetized? Okay, just like other social media platforms, there will be opportunity for advertisement, for content advertising, and others who may want to partner with us, and we're going to be earning from it. Thank you so much.